Okay, men. The challenge is to get into the Terran base and destroy him. But here's the thing. You have a brown king with some brown soldiers. So it'll take a while for us to kill him. So, men, go out there and kill him for me. Men, move up, now. Since the coast is clear, we can move up, as the captain said. Okay, King, we need to build our fortress before they come back with a stronger army. Yes, sir. Later. Yeah, yay, we did it, yeah. This, folks, is the best video you've ever seen in your lifetime. I hope you enjoyed, and please leave a like below.